archetype, a guy Fawkes. Since enough people give this man energy after his death, he can be considered an immortal. Knowing that he's an immortal, let's define his characteristics. For one, he was able to navigate between the left and right hand paths, or to walk amongst angels and demons. The next factor is that he had the ability to foresee the future and place himself in position to become a part of history. What is his ability? If we were to take this to the archetypal world of the tarot, he would be the emperor combined with the chariot. In other words, the fusion of Aries and Cancer. If we look upon the Emperor card, you see the Emperor holding the bomb in his hand. If we look at the Chariot, we see a soldier or a knight holding a ball of fire or a flame, an internal flame, rest in his lap. He is known to be the guardian of explosives. Because he is the guardian of explosives, or the frontier of the subconscious mind. The subconscious mind can be considered explosives because if it is mishandled, it will cause havoc. However, if it is tamed, it will produce miracles. If we would like to produce miracles and are not afraid of doing it in a more darker form, to access more darker forms of magic, to access dark waves, to access the black sun, the trickster or the charmer is Guy Fawkes. Just having his mask in your atmosphere makes you more seductive, makes you more charming, gives you the ability of foresight, visualization, vision. If you fuse this energy with incantation or evocation to bring his spirit to life within your vessel, then you will see the results. You can use his mask as a vessel for evocation. So the mask serves as a vessel for his spirit. So when you put the mask on, you channel the spirit, or wherever the mask is, it becomes a talisman or a charm that will affect that whole environment. So from this understanding, we can utilize this energy practically, constructively, to our advantage. Because there are beings that are celebrated of a darker nature, just as there are beings celebrated of a lighter nature. So if you are willing to be the tower and use explosives to destroy the barriers that keep you out of the hidden chambers of the subconscious, then here